Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to set the default reply action to reply to all in the Gmail app so you never miss including everyone in your email conversations. Have you ever replied to an email thread and realized you left someone out? By making reply to all your default, you can avoid that hassle and keep everyone in the loop. Let's walk through the steps together. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Next, look for the menu icon, those three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Give that a tap to open the main menu. Scroll down through the options until you find Settings. Tap on it to continue. Now, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to Gmail. Tap on the email account where you want to change the default reply action. Inside your account settings, scroll down until you see Default Reply Action. Tap on this option. A new screen will pop up with two choices: Reply and Reply to All. Select Reply to All to set it as your new default. That's it. From now on, whenever you hit reply in an email thread, Gmail will automatically include everyone on the conversation, saving you time and making sure no one is left out. If you ever want to switch back, just follow these same steps and choose Reply instead. Setting Reply to All as your default is a simple tweak, but it can make a big difference in your daily email routine, especially if you're often working with groups or teams. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for making the most of your Gmail experience.